We live in the day and age of full-screen smartphones, and I like this trend as the phones look beautiful and they can be more compact despite a larger display. The Bluboo S8 Plus is a bigger brother of the regular Bluboo S8 that I reviewed quite some time ago. It offers great design inspired by the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and decent specs for less than $150. My name is Linus, stay tuned to find out all the pros and cons about this phone. As always, make sure to check out the video description down below. The phone ships with all the usual stuff, and some extras include a soft TPU case, a screen protector, and a 3.5mm headset jack adapter. It is obvious that the design is the key selling point due to 6-inch HD Plus resolution display that has 18:9 aspect ratio display, just like the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. The screen is really sharp and bright, and it's a great panel for a budget phone. In terms of the build, we have a quality metal frame, the buttons are nice, but I think that the backplate is made of plastic, not glass. I think that there is a dual camera setup imitation, meaning that there is only one 16-megapixel sensor, as you can take pictures without bokeh effect even when a secondary sensor is covered. There is a 5-megapixel selfie shooter on the front. Now a few features in a nutshell. A fingerprint scanner is pretty fast and accurate, and the notification LED light is quite bright. However, there is no 3.5mm headset jack, so you would need to use the supplied adapter. The loudspeaker quality is quite bad. The Bluboo S8 Plus is definitely not the most powerful phone out there, but it still has decent specs for the price. The gaming performance is surprisingly good. I was able to play games like Asphalt 8 on the highest graphics without any stutter or lag. Obviously, this is a very old 3D game, but I'm impressed with the optimization of this MediaTek chipset. Also, other games like Shadow Fight 3 work just fine. The phone gets warm quickly, but it does not overheat. As far as user interface, you will love it or hate it since it is a heavily customized skin that is built on top of Android 7.0. There is no app tray and there are quite a few pre-installed bloatware apps and even some ads, which may be annoying. There are also quite a few customization options and tweaks that allow you to change the look and feel of the phone. I can't say this is the fastest budget phone out there, as you may see a little bit of stutter here and there, but I still think that this phone is pretty responsive on the daily basis. The phone can take decent pictures in good lighting conditions, but obviously some of the images could look sharper. As usual, the image quality decreases quite a bit in low light. Pictures taken using that bokeh mode look unnatural, and I'm not really impressed with the results. In other words, that blurred background effect is made using software, not hardware. Selfie image quality is not the best, but it's usable for social media. I'm testing out the front-firing camera of the Bluboo S8 Plus, and this is only 480p resolution video. Selfie videos are recorded only in 480p and the quality does not really impress. 1080p video looks kind of mediocre. The call quality is above average, I would say. Other connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS work fine. Keep in mind that the phone does not have a gyroscope sensor, meaning that it is not compatible with VR headsets. Finally, there is no USB OTG support. The phone ships with a 3600 mAh battery that performs pretty well only if you use the phone for the basic stuff like web browsing or social media. I was able to get over 5 hours of screen on time. However, the battery drains faster than usual in standby mode, but keep in mind that I have a lot of apps running in the background. Finally, it takes about 3 hours and 25 minutes to fully charge the phone, which is a very long time. The Bluboo S8 Plus is a great looking and well built phone for the price. That full screen display design is definitely the key selling point. Also, the phone is quite fast and it can handle some of the 3D games without any issues, but there is some bloatware in the user interface. Also, you have to keep in mind that the low light camera performance does not really impress. The phone is not compatible with VR headsets, there is no headset jack, no USB OTG support, selfie camera shoots videos only in 480p, and it takes a lot of time to fully charge the phone. If you can live with these shortcomings, the Bluboo S8 Plus is a very nice looking phone for the price that has quite a few features. But what do you guys think about this phone? Drop me a comment down below, and as always, if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.